Okay, so today I am going to show you how you can embed a PowerPoint presentation in your Canvas course using the Office 365 navigation button here. So first you're going to go to the Edit button and put it into Edit mode. I've decided that I wanted to place my presentation here. I centered the alignment because I want it to be in the center of my table. And then I am going to click Office 365. And then I'm going to, oh, by the way, you have to first make sure you save a copy of your PowerPoint presentation to OneDrive. And then you just go into OneDrive and locate that, which I put it here. And then I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open the presentation. And then, not this share button over here. I don't believe, it doesn't give you a. You are going to want to make sure you put it with anyone with the link. Probably don't want to allow editing unless it's something you're specifically trying to do is share it for that reason. You can set an expiration date if you want, but I want to share it with anyone with the link and apply that. Okay. But you actually don't even have to set that over there, because in order to get the embed code, which is what you need, to put the presentation in interactively, is you can actually go like you would go to File, like you were going to print or download. But you're going to find the share button over here. Click that, and now you'll see an option for embed. And when you click that, it's going to generate a preview of what it will look like. You can select different sizes. When embedding in a Canvas course, I would recommend one of these two sizes here, just for people who may want to view it on a mobile device. Anything larger than 700 is going to have trouble staying on their screen. So then, for this size here, which it's not a terrible size. I might want to go one size bigger there, the 610px, as long as I don't go over the 700, which you can actually change the width and height manually in the embed code if you copied it out of the course as well. So I'm just going to copy the embed code, and then I can just close that. And I can also close this presentation view that popped up here. And then this is what it's going to look like when you're back in your app here. So I'm going to go back to the page that I wanted to embed it on. And that was this page here. And so I'll go to my edit mode again. And this time, I'm going to scroll down again. Like I said, I wanted to have it centered here in my table. Make sure I got my center alignment. And then remember the little Insert Edit Media button here with the arrow on the film there is where you'll find the place to enter an embed code. And then I just want to paste my embed code and click OK. And now my presentation is in here, and I can click Save, and there it is. And now my students don't have to open the editable copy of a file that I've linked in here, because when you link it from your files that you upload into Canvas, it's going to end up just linking it raw and a non-presentation view. So this is kind of one way to make it a little bit more cleaner, maybe more finished looking by giving it already in presentation mode. So I'm going to click Save, and there you can see it's here. It's in presentation mode, and it is fully activated and ready for student participation. If you do have any trouble, it does get a little tricky at first. Please feel free to contact OIT and we can help you get your course squared away the way you need it. Thanks.